What is that? 0, 5 and 5, this will be 14, 7, 7 and 7, 6, 1. 1750 meter square. It is clear to everyone? It is clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now this is the answer in meter square. And look in the question, one thing is also given. Also find the area of garden in hectare. That is very important. This question is most important for your PT2. Okay. Digits will change, but this type of question definitely come. Okay. So how to find the area in hectare? So look, we know that, write down, we know that 1 hectare, 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meter square. Huh?
Now we are finding area
Of garden in hectare. So write down the unit. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. This is the concept you have to learn. Okay, you must need to know at least. To solve this question, you need to know this concept. 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meter square. Is it clear to everyone? Now,
Yes, sir.
now we have to convert this answer 1715 to hectare. So tell me what we will do. What we will do. Now, please tell me area of garden in hectare. What we will do, beta? Anyone tell me, please? If you know, otherwise I will tell you.
Sir,
Yes.
area of park and 6,750 meters square divided by 10,000 meters square.
Very good. That will be 1750 upon 10,000. Okay. So 0 will cancel out. So answer will be 1. Answer, this is correct or not? Yes. 175 hectare. Hectare you will write in short HA. Okay. If you don't want to write full hectares, you will write at least HA. Now this is the answer in hectare. Everyone clear? Out of 40, only 18 are here.
Yes, sir.
18, 322. 3 will be offline. You all are from Azad. Yeah, now 7th Bhagat student.
Chapter 0.
Yes, beta, 0.175 hectare. Now coming to the question number 2. Now coming to question number 2. I think this question is clear to everyone. If any one of you, those who are online, those who are offline, please tell me. I will explain it again if you have any problem. Harshita, beta, this is clear to you? Okay, you clear, both of you? Om, what's your name? Somnath Monday. And you? Okay. Now coming to question number 2. 3-meter wide path runs outside around. This is the same as question number 1. Same as question 1. So DIY means do it yourself. Why I'm writing this full form? Because 7th Bhagat students today join. That's why. Because Azad students are well familiar with these words. So many times I have told them. Yes. So आजाद के बच्चों को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, भगत के बच्चों को दिक्कत हो सकती है DIY से. That will be do it yourself. I am game period. I am game teacher. Sorry. मैं कह रहा हूँ game period में. Question number 3. A picture is painted in on cardboard 8 centimeter long, 5 centimeter wide, such that there is a margin of 1.5 centimeter along each of its side. Find the total area of margin. This actually this is the same one as a previous ones. Look at there, but I will explain this thing. Suppose this is a photo picture. Okay, this is a picture where something will be drawn, and there will be margin also given. Look, this is the margin. This is the margin that will be given from each side. Okay, so actually what we have to find here in this question, this will be same as question number first. We have to find this part beta. Clear everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We have to find this region. So length of, how to find the area of inner rectangle and find the area of outer rectangle. You will subtract the area of inner from the area of outer. You will get the answer of the area of margin on this photo. Okay, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
So look at there.
Yes.
This is 8 and this is 5. Okay, this is 5 because this is the photo, this is length, this is width. Okay, for photo this is width, this is length, and 1.5 will be margin, that will be outer length, that will be 11, and this will be 8. How? Because 1.5 will be here, 1.5 will be here, so it will be increased by 3. So 8 becomes 11 and 5 becomes 8. It is clear to everyone? Because margin will be there in everywhere. Look,
Yes, sir.
I will use red pen. This red pen will be 1.5. This red pen will be 1.5. This will be also 1.5. This will be also 1.5. Yes.
This is level.
Yeah, this is 11. Means
is
outer.
This is 8.
Because 5 will be inside, so outer will be 8 centimeter. Clear everyone? I think time is getting running out. Only 1 minute remain. So this is also do it yourself. How to find? You have to find area of outer rectangle. Outer means how to do? Make a column. Outer, inner. तो ऐसे करोगे ना, आपको लर्न कर मीन्स आपको एग्जाम में भी आसानी रहेगी कैसे क्वेश्चंस करना है. So do the questions in one pattern. It will be my way. It will be your own way. Means bus answer will be correct. Whatever the method you will use, my method or your method you will use. But answer at last answer will be correct.
Sir, like this only we have to write, na? Outer rectangle, inner rectangle.
No, you have choices. You can do your own self. But this will be this way. That I will told you, that will be very interesting.
Sir, we can do both.
So okay, see you tomorrow everyone. Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Okay, see you tomorrow everyone. And tomorrow come with your full attendance, everyone, please.
Yes, sir.